What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is the new Acura Precision Concept. Yes, Acura today unveiled the new Precision EV Concept, a look ahead of the future of the brand's design. Now, the concept vehicle provides us with a hint of what it is the brand is planning for the upcoming electric crossover. Now, described as a North Star inspiring the brand's upcoming designs as it moves into an exciting electrified future, Acura says that the shape was inspired by the elegance, artistry, and harmony of form and function unique to luxury Italian powerboats. Now, the Acura Precision EV Concept is a design study that will shape the direction of the future Acura products in the electrified era, including the first all-electric SUV in 2024. Now, the concept features an evolution of Acura's diamond pentagon grille. Since an EV doesn't really need to breathe air in the same way as an internal combustion vehicle, it is an illuminated section maintaining the brand's aesthetic, interpreting the diamond pattern in lights rather than in a negative space. And the front end also still features Acura's chicane DRL light signature while adding a particle glitch effect to them. Now, the pattern is repeated in the taillights and in the wheels, which on this concept are 23 inches across. Inside, meanwhile, occupants are treated to a collection of premium and sustainable materials. The seats are covered in biomass leather, and the aluminum and the green cast acrylic in the steering wheel's secondary controls are made of recycled materials, while the milled FSC-certified wood harvested from responsibly managed forests gives the interior a premium feel while harming the plants a little less. But the design, on the other hand, is supposed to be changeable. With the Formula One inspired steering wheel and low slung division position, Acura has tried to make the interior feel sporty. Indeed, there is an indistinctive drive mode that changes the instrument cluster display to a motorsport inspired look with red ambient lighting. And this is a crossover, so Acura has added a spiritual lounge mode that retracts the steering wheel, pipes soothing scents into the cabin, and plays an underwater animated projection with the interior lighting. Now, the automaker says that the vehicle is capable of full driving automation experiences in this mode. And a hyper-wide curved transparent infotainment screen provides haptic responses when touched. Its boot up graphics continue to the particle glitch theme, and according to Acura, it can read the driver's mood and set up the driving mode to suit it. Now, the Precision EV Concept will make its debut at the Quail Motorsport Gathering on Friday, August 19th, after which it will be showcased at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance concept lawn on Sunday, August 21st. So with that said, what do you guys think about your first look of the Acura Precision EV Concept crossover? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Precision EV Concept. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel and enjoy what I do here, make sure you check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys give. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, guys. Backpacks, Kango hats, stickers, fanny packs, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.